Well, I was sitting here counting my birds today and such. And they went over in, I think it was 7 different configuration of flocks and colors and sizes. And the last ones I saw was a group of 5. It's usually a group of 3, and then it turned into 2 followed by 1, followed by 2, followed by 1, followed by 2, followed by 1, and then 4, and then 1, and then the last one I saw was 5, 1 in the lead and 4 behind. So I counted it 1, 2, and 2. 1, 2, 2. And then I thought, hey, that's 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. In computer code speak. 01, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Or 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Then there was God coming in and disturbing the peace as he always does, and he says to me, you better get to teaching what I told you to teach. And I says, oh God, I'm so afraid. He says, of what? I says, of them, the woman haters. I know how they got their fangs sharpened for me and for all of that. And he says, the cloud protects the mercy seat. Roseanne, I told you that. I says, yes, sir. Forgive my lapse in faith, sir. Love ya. TTYL. Yo, he said.